Hello everyone, this is Davis Bae, the Precon Advisor. I'm so excited to introduce you King's Calling. First of all, this is a drone footage produced by our team, and it shows the latest developments in this neighborhood. You cannot find it anywhere else. This is an exquisite community comprised of estate residences on grand 42, 45, 50 feet lots coming soon to King City near Dufferin and 15 Sideroad. The prices of these luxury homes start at just 2.4 million, and the starting square footage is 3,300 square foot. King City's average sold price is 2.2 million, and it just keeps going up because King City is well connected to surrounding communities and the city of Toronto. There's a Highway 400, Highway 407, and Highway 401 connecting King City to Toronto. And also, there's a King City GO station and York Region Transit. Considering the average price of recently built resale homes in this neighborhood is already in the range of $2.5 to $4 million, I highly recommend this project to people who's interested in moving into a luxury home market. Smaller lot homes in Richmond Hill and Markham are minimum $3 million, and this is a no-brainer. I'd love to share the price, floor plan, and builder's special incentives, so please give me a call, text, or DM. For down-to-earth pre-construction deals, please subscribe to our channel and you'll be on top of the latest pre-construction deals near GTA. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.